So crash, boom, bang, got the bumper off. These are such bitches to get off. Just those. Anyways, if you look down it, it's got that in it. It's not supposed to have that. It's supposed to just go straight right there. So I got this log and that piece of wood. I got my hammer in the log. I already see I could fix it up a bit. It's also kind of bent in like that. So I'm gonna just keep hitting this till it looks straight, just like so, pretty much. Because that was definitely the high spot. Yeah. Yeah, I feel like I can hit it in the... dog's water. Trying to hit right there. So. It's almost straight. Put it there. Watch out. Probably put some carpet down to protect that chrome. I'm nearly there. I just need to hit this way a bit. Right here. That's where it goes. Get out my little hammer. If you take a look, you can see right here. It's got this scrape. Go to the other side, and it's definitely not like that. It's smooth as queen bee. So, get a hammer and beat that out. I'm sure this is bent in a tiny bit. Alright. So I also noticed it had a little bit of a bow like that. So I put it against this trailer here. And let's kind of see this. I'm gonna try to hit right there. Maybe pop this up a little. something like that. All right. Then I'll take that little hammer and take that. So then I'm gonna take one of these and back it up behind it a tiny bit sometimes. Right now I'm gonna bend it. As much as back up the wood. Now that I got that out, I'm gonna put this block here. I'm gonna just beat that like that with the sledge really hard. And I noticed this was bent pretty bad. It's supposed to be straight on both sides, so I heated the shit out of it. Now I'm gonna beat it. Not working that good. Alright. I'll get back to you on. So I got it straightened out. Pretty dang good. I put it on there. And oh, I didn't like bolt it on, but I hung it up on there and it looks pretty dang good. So call that good for now, and I'll start working on this. Yeah. Catch you later.